What's up? Pretty embarrassing loss yesterday. I was so sure that the Blues are going to win. And they got smashed. Smashed by Calgary. Pretty embarrassing. So today we're going to pick some easy ones. Get back in the game here. No more wild bets for a little while. So, going to take Carolina. Vegas is so overhyped. It seems like every time I bet on them, they don't pull it off. I don't know. They just played last night. I think Carolina's going to take it to them today in regulation. And then we're also going to take Pittsburgh. A lot of advice guys I'm listening to are saying even just take the puck line, saying they're going to smash them. We're going to take the safe bet. Pittsburgh just to win in overtime. I'm just to win in regulation. You put $5 on that, and it's 2-1. Pretty good. So, 2-game parlay, double your money. Pretty easy picks. Two good teams. Two teams at home. I'm liking that. Here's my ticket here. And just in case one of these games go to overtime, let's throw down $5 on my bookie, which is actually a really great sportsbook and casino too. They even got, I'll show you guys real quick. They got live blackjack, live roulette. Pretty good. Pretty good website. I mostly just use them for the sportsbook. They usually have some real good bonuses. Whenever there's like a big fight, like the Logan Paul fight, it was like they bumped the odds. What else? Any team. A lot of times on football, they'll put any team who scores a field goal, like you win double. Tons of sign up promotions. Anyways, I'm not gonna. This isn't an ad, so let's just go to. Take Carolina. So this includes overtime and all that. The first cash bet I made, it has to be in regulation. I almost want to take Nashville too, but we're gonna play it safe today. We're gonna take it real safe today. All right, let's go with that. And I just want to show you guys too. The sign-up bonuses are pretty crazy. Double your first deposit. 150% casino bonus. Like the sign-up bonuses are just insane. Anyways, that's all for today's video. You can check out my link in the description if you need a sports book. It's a lot better than betting with your local government stuff. The odds are better, the payouts are better, bonuses are better. But yeah, link will also be in the description. Thank you guys. Good luck today.